Yes, YouTube. Good afternoon and welcome back again. You know, in my last video, I said it was go time, get ready, and that's still the case actually, right? We came for previous lows and we're heading to major support now at the moment. You know, we're heading to the 200 moving average on the daily time frame, but also the 786 on the weekly time frame. That means that we can expect something, right? If you check the order book, you can see that there are crazy pools of liquidity. So I will show you guys in this video what I'm expect now for BTC for today, because it's Friday, and you know, Friday, if you backtest it, most of the time are pumping days, you know, especially if you are in a discount now at the moment, you can expect something, right? Market makers buying themselves in. So again, buy the fear, sell the greed. So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and I draw the Fibonacci retracement on the weekly time frame, and you can see that we're heading to some support here, right? If you go to the daily time frame and you grab the moving average with it, you can see that we bounced on the 200 moving average, that we're reversing a little bit. The thing is, you know, 786 max fear is actually a level for market makers to buy themselves in, right? What you can see on the 4 hours that we become bullish now, as I showed you guys in my previous videos. So we can expect something here, right? So don't be afraid. Wait for confirmation. You know what I'm expecting on the 15-minute time frame now is that you see a sort of reversal to see a liquidity sweep with a giant wick to come up like this. Liquidity sweep, giant wick, come up, and then we buy retracement and we enter long. That's a little bit my plan for the coming days and the coming week. We're entering week 3 of the month, so we can expect something, right? Again, they came for sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. In this case, it was sell side liquidity. I thought it was already here, but you could see yesterday that they pumped crazy volume in this market. So I already thought that they swept these lows here, but we came down more, right? Again, don't be afraid. And if you want to wait for confirmation and enter a long position here with a tight stop loss underneath this low, then you can go to today's video's description. You can see here that we have a collaboration with MEXC, and the special thing about this collaboration with MEXC is that you will get a lifetime 10% discount on your trading fees, right? That's what you want, especially when you're a trader and you trade leverage. You want to have as low fees as possible, especially when you buy limit orders or you flash close or open market orders. You just want to have low fees, right? Again, smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And again, guys, I'm expecting a reversal here on the 786 weekly time frame, right? So I'm still bullish on BTC. Once we break this 786, then it can go very fast, because the next support level we have is the 618, and that is 96.5k, 96.6k, right? There's no fair value gap. We closed it already. So again, guys, we need to hold the 786 to remain bullish. So guys, I thank you all for watching. A quick update on BTC, you know, buy the fear. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Get well, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.